Hello and welcome. This is Felix speaking from easybits, and today just a short update for you guys regarding one of my workflows that I've released throughout the weekend on the n8n library. So it's now for free available for everybody to take, and I think it actually solves a problem that a lot of people been struggling with. So it's a batch invoice processor that actually allows you to upload multiple invoice documents and extract the data in one go instead of just dragging in one by one. And I will go through the workflow shortly with you. I will run the process one time, and then of course, as always, you will find the link in the description of this post so you can take it for yourself. So let's run the process one time together. We can perform one extraction with a bunch of invoice examples that I actually prepared for a test. So as you can see, I already have the workflow sitting in my n8n here, and let's click execute workflow, which will lead us to a form page that then allows us to upload the documents that we want to process. And as you can see, I brought 3 different invoice layouts with me as well, to make sure I can show you that it also works with different layouts. So let's upload all 3 of them, click submit, and now we can see that the workflow is already extracting the data based on the easybits extractor node that we are using here. It works on the 2nd invoice already, and what I also built in is that this form in the beginning actually changes later on to a summary screen that allows us to see if all the invoices were processed successfully, and here we can see it. So it would also flag if some data field is missing or something went wrong throughout the extraction process. And now let's also make sure we look into our invoice master sheet, and we can see that all the data got extracted successfully. Of course, these data points can be adjusted to whatever data point you need to drag from your invoices. So make sure to check out this workflow. I will, as mentioned before, link it in this post as well. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. And then I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye.